back at Thon Beach, and the first time I came here I had a pizza and it was cold and it was pretty good. So this time I'm actually sitting down here to try the food out. So I'd give you a quick lay of the land here. This is the attraction. This is a real pizza oven. Look at this thing. Back there, comfortable chairs, pretty chill atmosphere. Okay, a little pool. Look at those kids eating that pizza. We'll see. We ordered a pepperoni and a sausage one. Sausage. Yep. Can we get some plates and red chili pepper? Yeah, red chili. Pricked dang. So I told the chef to make him crispy because I saw the next person next to me with a soft one. But huge crust here. Big melted cheese. Nice pepperoni slices. Yeah, look at the bottom. Looks pretty good. Good. Let's try this out. Yeah, the crust is chewy even though it's thin down there. This pepperoni is pretty good. The sauce has good flavor. The cheese is nice. It's not some cheap ghetto cheese. Yeah, that's a nice brick oven pizza. Look at this crust down here. Yeah. Alright, so getting to this thick crust here. It's a little airy, but a little chewy at the same time.
Chili wine.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Wow.
Very good.
Yeah. not shredded cheese. I saw the lady dicing up mozzarella, so big chunks of mozzarella are melted as the pizza cooks. Bunch of condiments here on the table as well. Okay, so now I gotta try the sausage. Look how airy this crust is. It's huge. Oh boy. Dropping sausage here. So you might want to use a fork and knife.
Yeah.
Not sure. What do you think is brown sauce is here? It's a little sweet.
Caramelized
Oh.
onion chutney.
Yeah. Yep. That's a nice savory sausage.
Pepperoni's good too.
Yeah, the pizza's definitely worthwhile. But the other entrees look pretty good on the menu too, so if I come back to this beach, I'm gonna eat here again.
Not really.
Yeah,
Two
yeah,
pizzas and 3 Cokes.
yeah, not bad. So it's around $30 if I had to guess. But yeah, real brick oven pizza.
That's quite decent.